The Cleveland Cavaliers are making moves. They've just traded Kyle Korver to the Utah Jazz for Alec Burks and 2 future second-round picks. Korver has played for the Jazz before in his career when he was younger, so he's going back there. They're adding another shooter. This trade, it's okay for both teams. It's not really a game changer. It's just interesting. The Cavs are willing to take on long-term salaries. They're also looking at maybe moving George Hill. So we'll see what happens. For the Cavs, they did get younger, and they also got some draft picks. So they're not first-round draft picks, but still, I think they're pretty happy. And the Jazz, they just want their veteran shooter. They want Korver on the team. It works out. It's not bad at all. Let me know what you're thinking about this trade, and if you think George Hill is going next, what team is going to pull the trigger and try to get him? What team needs a George Hill? Either a backup or maybe a starting point guard. And don't forget, the Cavs are trying to get rid of J.R. Smith as well. So where is he going to end up? DeRozan out of control. He gets rejected. I can't throw the lob, unfortunately. Ooh, I got him leaning. Oh! Back at it. The ankle breaker to poster combo. I don't think I've done that yet this season. Have I broken ankles and then thrown it down on somebody?